There we go. Let's hope this uploaded. We'll see. Alright, we're starting over. Live, this is one for the record. I'm Diana, and today is November 8th, 2012. Happy birthday, Peter. Shout out to Peter in Arizona. And here's your updates for today. The Watchers. Sun hurled 2 bright CMEs into space, both non-Earthbound. And that's it for the Watchers. Alright, let's move on, because I'm having problems. Let's go into the Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. We'll go into that one. See what's going on here. Okay, we'll just keep moving our mouse around stuff so it doesn't shut up on me. I just did a report. We're doing it again. And while we're waiting on that, there are 42 days, 9 hours, 17 minutes, and 12 seconds before December 21st, 2012, 11:11 Greenwich Mean Time. Also, while we're waiting, there it goes. Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Hundreds of pigeons mysteriously die in India. Heads up! That's all the new news. Other than there was earthquakes strike Guatemala, killing at least 48. 6.3 magnitude earthquake strikes near Vancouver Island. California, Oregon. Earthquake 4.2 quake strikes off the coast. Alright. My goodness. Alright, let's see if we can go into Fukushima, Japan. E&E News. The energy news. Okay, let's go into that. You can tell I did the report already because I'm reading it faster. Let's hope we're still on. Okay, we'll keep swirling our mouse around here. Okay, waiting on E&E News Fukushima. If it will go. Let's go in here. See if it's up. It is. Alrighty then. See if we can roll down. Alright. Astonishing thyroid abnormalities found in Fukushima kids declared okay by government officials, ordered doctors to stop examining patients. 4 quakes magnitude 4.0 and above hit Fukushima in 24-hour period. TV. Methane much closer to community than previously detected near giant sinkhole. And that's U.S. Canada. Pressure now just below surface. Officials want to test every structure built on ground. Fukushima native elected to U.S. Senate, reported by AP. Wind turbine syndrome gets 4-minute segment on Colbert Report. Post-election day show. Sheriff. Giant Louisiana sinkhole may expand beyond control. Professor. It could be a significant event. Official statement. Methane accumulating 20 feet underground near community by giant Louisiana sinkhole. Immediate actions to protect safety mentioned. To protect public safety mentioned. Alrighty then. So, excuse my hands. I had done some gardening. Oh no, what did it do? Okay, here we go. It is 4 days down. It's the eve of Friday. I'll see you tomorrow. 1 day left. And I'll do the Dr. Deagle show for you. Take care. Be prepared.